when it's time to watch English content, and even when we are watching American TV shows or American, different countries movies, or like Hollywood movies, usually that time we realize that we are rely on only on captions. We are focusing on only on captions, guys. We are not watching, because I know that American TV shows or web series are not very easy to understand. Their English is very proficient, so usually I am using, but I realize in this week that if we are continuously watching content with the help of captions or subtitles, that time over focus only on captions. We are not watching the person, we are not watching the character, what they are saying. We are just listening and focus on captions. But is it good thing? I think it's not. Yeah, if you start watching content without subtitles or without caption, that time you will learn more. I know that it would be more, it would be challenging for you, especially for beginners. If you are newbie or just started learning English, that time you can use captions. But if you are speaking, if you are practicing your speaking, if you are learning in a good way, like you are a kind of intermediate level speaker, that time you should watch content without subtitles. Even I also begin to making content without adding subtitles. I stopped adding subtitles on my videos, and the reason is this that I'm telling you, because whenever we are watching content, we are totally focused on subtitles. We are watching subtitles, what he's saying, what they are saying. But it's not a good thing on a long time when you are continuously practicing, or at the same time you are also watching media. English media is good thing, but you are watching media every day or with the help of captions, that time it's not good thing. So we have to decide now that don't watch media with the help of captions, with the help of subtitles. Yeah, I know, I also agree that when we are watching American content or like Hollywood movies or any other podcast which is from foreign countries, that time they might be challenging for us. So but what I began to do the things is I started watching or listening podcast on with the decreasing the playback speed. If you are watching now, if you are watching me, you can make my video speed decrease or increase. You can easily increase the speed, you can easily decrease the speed. So I tell you guys, when I started using this method, usually I'm listening Jay Shetty's podcast. His English is good, but the guests they are coming to their podcast, that time their guests English is more proficient, more higher level. So that time sometimes I couldn't get that things that they are saying. So I usually listening that podcast in less speed. I make the speed on I turn the speed on 0.9x on Spotify. And you can, if you are watching media on YouTube, you can make your content or your video script video speed less, like 0.9x. That time you will easily understand what they are saying, what they are talking. It's very good method I'm using, and I realize that this is gonna be more beneficial for you if you start using this method. And The another thing, usually when we are started learning English, that time the speakers like me or YouTubers like me, they usually they say that you should watch English movies, you should watch English media. But that time we are just go to watching American TV shows in the beginning, in the initial days when we are just started. Guys, if you are just started your English journey, that time you should watch only English creators that are those are making content in English. Like me, I am making content in English. That's the reason, because I am giving you the content in English that will help you to your listening, to your to finding new vocabularies, all this like these things. So try to watch English creators and also Indian creators. Okay, so this would be more good for you, this will be more beneficial for you for sure. So try to watch Indian, and lot of people usually when they are from southern part and of India, and they are from so many in the whole India, lot of people are making content in English. You can watch vlogs, so many people are also making vlogs, and you can also watch foreign people's vlog. Like I'm watching vlogs when they are living New York City, or they are making their daily life vlogs. That time the vlogs will be more interesting for you, and also when you will watch, you will get more good vocabularies. But this is also a thing, when we are watching foreign people's media, that time they are using very high level of English, proficient English, or very high level of different kind of spellings or vocabularies. But I think in initial days you don't need to learn those vocabularies. So first in the initial days, if you are just going to be an intermediate level, that time you should just focus on Indian creators and Indian peoples, those are making content in English, because our vocabulary is kind of suitable and comfortable like for English learners, newbies. So just try to watch Indian media first, and when you start watching, when you start understanding, that time you can go for American TV shows or other foreign creators. And don't use subtitles if you are understanding the media, if you are understanding the person's English. My English is not so much fluent. You can easily understand my English without subtitles. That's why I stopped adding subtitles, because this is not a good thing for new learners or all English learners. Because whenever we are having subtitles, that time we totally start focusing on the subtitles, not the person. If you are watching me, if you are listening me, if you are seeing me, watching me, that time you will get something good thing. But I was using subtitles, that time your focus was on just subtitles. So try to watch media without subtitles. Okay, this would be more better for you, this will be more better for you guys. And I'm on a journey. My English is not very much better, and I'm also not making eye contact with you. I don't know, but I'm just focused to improve my content. But I think I'm making content to share my experience, my learning journey. That's what I'm doing every single day, to learn this language more better. So this is my main purpose. And if you are watching till now, this means a lot, guys. You can like my video, you can subscribe my channel, and stay tuned. I am making videos every single day about English, about self-improvement, about spirituality. All these things are important. Our mental things are also important while learning a new language, working, studying, whatever we are doing. So try to grab some good content, okay, but not too much. And when you are watching reels, that time try to focus on only on English media. When you like English content, that time the social media applications will bring to you the same kind of content. So try to like all those English media. That will help you for sure. Okay, if you are watching till now, this means a lot. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. If you have any kind of questions, doubts or suggestions for me, then let me know in the comment box. You can also connect with me on my Instagram. I'll see you in the next video for sure. Bye bye.